Good morning, dear students. Today onwards, we are going to start chapter 5, that is emerging modes of business. So let's begin with the concept of this chapter. What do we mean by emerging modes of business? Let's understand this in two parts. Mode of a business means the manner of conducting any business activity, and emerging means something which is trending, that is changing, that are happening and are likely to continue. So now emerging modes of business refers to recent changes that have taken place and will take place in the near future in a manner or a mode of conducting any business activity. See, as previously, traditionally, the businesses were conducted face to face, interactions were done face to face, but now the emerging mode, the emerging trend is to carry on the business transactions online. So emerging mode of a business means the trending way of carrying out any business activity. Now, why explore new ways of doing any business activity? It is required to improve the business processes, improve the business performances, to help business strengthen their capabilities, to help fight competition, to give customers better quality goods at faster and cheaper pace, to benefit from emerging technology. So that is why new ways of doing the business activities are needed. Now there are three dynamic trends that are shaping business in today's world. First is e-business, second is outsourcing, third is internationalization and globalization. We are all aware about globalization. Outsourcing has been deleted from the syllabus. So in this chapter, we are going to deal with only one concept of emerging modes, that is e-business. What is the meaning of e-business and how it is different from e-commerce? E-business is defined as the conduct of industry, trade and commerce using computer networks. We are all aware what is a business. Business is a combination of industry plus commerce, and commerce includes trade as and auxiliaries to trade. So we can define the business as the conduct of industry, that is production, trade and commerce, that is procurement of goods and services using the computer network. Firms use secure and private networks for more effective and efficient management of their internal functions. Let's understand this more with the help of an example. In 1999, Hyundai Motor America of USA moved slowly into the new world of electronic commerce. It started its e-business initiative based on Click Commerce software, wherein independent auto repair shops could purchase parts online from them. Hyundai extended the initiative to all its customers, including dealers, distributors and consumers, as well as the independent garage owners. Now let's see what is the difference between e-business and e-commerce. As I told you, e-business includes electronically carrying out of business activities including the industry and commerce. Industry means production, commerce means procurement. So entire production and procurement of goods and services using the electronic media is referred to as e-business. E-commerce includes a firm's interaction with its customers and suppliers over internet. So e-commerce just means trading as well as provision of goods as well as services through online network, while e-business includes the various business transactions and functions conducted electronically. So e-business is a combination of industry and commerce, and e-commerce is just a part of e-business. So now we can say that e-business is a wider concept. It includes e-commerce as well. You can just see as flashed on your screens. E-business includes buying and selling on internet as well as production, inventory management, product development, accounting and finance, and human resource management. So e-business has a wider scope, not only buying and selling on internet. It includes the product development also, planning also, accounting and finance, human resource management, inventory management, production, everything is included in e-business. So e-commerce is just a part of e-business. Only the part of buying and selling on internet is known as e-commerce. Now in next module, I'll explain you about the scope of e-commerce. Thank you all. Have a nice day.